Hi, welcome to my online grammar class. Today I am going to explain about verb of incomplete predication. These verbs are actually from intransitive verbs. So, why it is called incomplete predication? The reason is a transitive verb completes its predicate. Suppose we say John visited his farm. Here, the verb visit started from the subject, went to the object, touched the object, and it is returning. So we can understand the verb is doing the complete work. So transitive verb has the power to complete its predicate. The verb itself is a predicate with the object. So transitive verb completes its predicate. It starts from the subject, travels, completes the action, reaches there to the point of the object, and we can understand that it is complete the action. But in intransitive verb it is not possible, so it is called incomplete predication. Here you see this first one, subjective complement. Intransitive verb clearly revolves around the subject itself, as it has no object. It is not transferable, the action is not transferable, so it revolves around the subject. That's why it is called intransitive. Subjective complements are there: being, becoming, seeming, appearing. These verbs which deal with being of something, becoming something, seeming, that is some type of hope is there, seeming, and appearing. Appearing means some way you see something, it is not a fact but you see. So these four kinds of verbs are subjective complements. So these subjective complements are only possible in intransitive verbs. Please see, Shelly is a cat. Here cat is not an object, cat is nothing but it is the species. The name of the cat is Shelly. So subject, I am defining here subject. When I am telling Shelly is a cat, here this verb does not complete the predicate. It does not have any object. So the word cat is nothing but it is about Shelly. So it is an incomplete verb. Okay, it is a noun. So subjective complement have two. One is a predicative noun, one is predicative adjective. So here a cat is nothing but it is about Shelly, so it is a noun, so it is called a predicative noun. Earth is round. If you see round, it is the shape of the earth, so it is the quality of the earth, so it is nothing but defining the earth, so it is predicative adjective. John became a soldier, so here John, about John, we are discussing about John. Soldier is no one but John, so it is again predicative noun. It is describing about John. The sky grew dark. Here you see the darkness is nothing but it is the quality of the sky. It is describing the quality of the sky, so it is an adjective, predicative adjective. Honey tastes sweet. It is the quality of honey. Again it is only about the subject, so it is predicative adjective. You look happy. Here happiness is a quality that you have, so again it is nothing but about the subject. So these all are nothing but the complements. So these all complements describe only subject and there is no object. First we have to know intransitive verb has no object, only then we can understand these are called complements. So these complements, nothing, it is either it is the name of the subject, then it is noun, species of the subject or name of the subject, or it is the quality of the subject, then it is an adjective. So again, these kind of subjective complement comes in being, becoming, seeming, and appearing. These four kind of category of verbs. So this is called verbs of incomplete predication. If we have to know verb of complete predication, that is we have to know about the object and object complements, we have to know transitive verbs. In intransitive verbs, intransitive sentences form, these all are intransitive sentences. So these will always be incomplete. These predicates are incomplete. Either it will be a noun or it will be adjective. It will only describe the noun, nothing else. So these verbs are called incomplete predication.